Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bea and I'm upcycling furniture in my free time. Here is my latest video on how I upcycled this very much used and very much worn console table, which I have grabbed for probably about £20. A lady was selling from her garage. It was quite in a bad shape. As you can see, the drawer was barely pulling out and the inside was quite dirty and used, so it really needed a makeover. Let's see how I have upcycled this piece. Welcome back to my garage. As you can see, it's pretty much crowded at the moment with all the bikes and all the furniture around, but I have managed to work around everything that we had. So the first thing that I was doing is I have cleaned the piece very thoroughly. As you must have seen it, it was very dirty. I mean, I don't think I have ever seen a piece as dirty as this. After I have cleaned this furniture about probably 2 or 3 times and I have rinsed it off with some clean water, and after I left it to dry, I have started to sand this piece. I have used a 120 grit sandpaper, and in the beginning I wasn't quite sure if I can save the top and leave it natural, but as I was sanding it, I've had to realize that it's just too far gone and I couldn't have saved it completely. So I'm just scrap sanding it to smooth out the little bumps and then prepare it for filling it. After I have wiped off all the dust, the next step was to use this T3 professional wood fill and just fill in all the holes and all the gaps and all the cracks that this piece had. Which, spoiler alert, it had loads and loads. Once the wood fill has dried, I've sanded it down and then I started to prime the piece with Rustoleum's spray-on grey primer, which is one of my favorite ones. It works really well and I love that it has a grey color, so that when I'm using a dark colored furniture paint, then the primer doesn't show through as much and it just requires less coat of paint because of that. So overall I'm really happy with it and I just love the grey color. And of course, we furniture painters know that there is no such a thing as a quick project. Because when I thought that finally I have primed it and I'm ready to paint it, I have just realized that it has loads of small holes still, loads of little cracks, loads of scratches and loads of holes that I didn't see before I primed it. So let's get back to the beginning. As you can see, I have grabbed my wood filler again and I've started to fill in all the holes that now I have finally sewn. My wood filling technique is still not the best because if you have a look, I'm leaving there quite a bit of excess wood filler, which I should be able to remove with my spatula, which I'm not removing right now because I'm not quite there yet. I still need to work on my technique, because when I will be able to remove more of this excess wood filler, then I can save some more time because I don't have to spend as much time sanding down the piece as if there wasn't as much wood filler on it. So again, after it has dried, I have sanded it, primed it, and now I am sanding it smooth before painting. I'm using one of my favorite paint colors from Fusion Mineral Paint, which is called Ash. I have only just recently started using the paint color ranges from Fusion Mineral Paint and the Dixie Belle, but I honestly love them. I mean, I don't get any paid promotions, so I'm just saying because I truly love them, and I think it's really great for anyone who is starting out or for anyone who are already doing furniture flipping for a while but haven't yet tried these paints, because they have a really great coverage, it's really easy to use, and you can clean your brushes very easily after that, and yeah, overall it's just honestly a great product. And for anyone who was wondering what sort of paintbrush I'm using, I used to buy Harris paintbrushes, which were really good, but now I've started using Wilko's own branded brushes, and now I'm currently using an angled brush, and I just love it. It's cheaper, it's great quality, and it lasts forever. As you can see, I'm only applying the first coat of the paint, but it already has a really good coverage. Again, that's why I love this paint. One of the last things I had to do was to sand down the drawers, treat them with varnish, and give some detailing to the sides of the drawers. And before showing the final result, here is a little reminder of how the console table looked like before. And here is the final piece. I'm honestly completely in love with it. I just love how the light color of the drawer complements the dark color of the paint. I don't know about you guys, but I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like the result, and I really hope I will see you in the next videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon!